Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg properly. We'll begin by selecting the freshest eggs, as their quality significantly impacts the final dish. Next, we'll discuss the importance of controlling heat and choosing the appropriate pan or pot for your desired method. Getting these foundational elements right is crucial for achieving perfectly cooked eggs every time, whether you prefer them soft, firm, or somewhere in between. Let's dive in. For fluffy scrambled eggs, whisk 2 or 3 large eggs with a tablespoon of milk or cream and a pinch of salt and pepper. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat with a pat of butter. Pour in the egg mixture and stir gently with a spatula, pushing the cooked portions to the center. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, removing them from the heat just as they reach your desired consistency, slightly moist. To achieve flawless fried eggs, melt 1 tablespoon of butter or heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully crack 1 or 2 large eggs into the pan, ensuring they don't touch. Cook for 2 to 4 minutes for a runny yolk, or longer for a firmer one. For sunny side up, you can baste the yolks with the hot butter or oil for a minute to set the whites. For perfectly boiled eggs, place them in a pot and cover with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook for 6 minutes for a soft, jammy yolk, or 10 minutes for a firm, hard-boiled egg. Quickly transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.